Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Fuse machine in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots on Roblox. So first, let's talk about what the Fuse machine actually does. Now, the Fuse machine allows you to combine duplicate Brainrots to create a stronger version. So instead of keeping multiple weak copies that barely increases your earnings, you merge them together into one upgraded unit that gives you better stats and more money over time. Now to use it, you need duplicates. That's the key. If you only have one of a brain rot, you won't be able to fuse it. Once you've collected multiple copies from hatching or rewards, you want to head over to the fuse machine area in the lobby, open the fuse menu, select the duplicate brain rots you want to combine, and confirm the fusion. After that, you'll get a higher tier version with improved earning power. Now here's the strategy part. Don't just fuse randomly. Early in the game, fusing helps you clear waves and scale income more smoothly. But later on, you want to think about your rebirth multipliers too. Since rebirth massively boosts your money, fusing higher rarity or higher tier brain rots after a few rebirths makes them scale even harder. Also, remember that stronger brain rots mean faster income, which helps you hit speed upgrades quicker, which then helps you rebirth faster. So everything in this game connects. So if you're stuck earning slowly, chances are you either need better fusions or you're holding too many weak duplicates instead of upgrading them. So that's about it. Just use the machine consistently, focus on upgrading your best earners, and don't waste duplicates sitting in your inventory. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!